Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing. I've got 3 packages as per usual. I'm not really sure about the order of these because I kind of grabbed just whatever. Just getting right into it. Oh, my blade came out. It's not supposed to happen. Ooh, this is really cool. I've got the Spider-Man Animated Series Mark 1 armor, the retro card back. Oh man, this looks great. The other ones from the wave, I've got Ben Reilly Spider-Man. I passed on the Hobgoblin, but I think I ordered the Shocker as well, so this looks really good. Yeah. Comes with some webs, some extra hands. That'll look really good in my alternate Spider-Man shelf. Okay. Next one here is really flat looking. Let's see what we got. Let's see where to open it. Oh, okay. It's a weird box. It's kind of like a laptop box or something. Oh, I just talked about it, and then there it is. So this is the Spider-Man Animated Series Retro Card Shocker. That was good. At least I didn't spoil too much. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get Shocker, and then there it is. But wow, this looks really good. The only reason I passed on the Hobgoblin, it looks good, but it doesn't look like it has any detail. It was all smooth. I like when the figures have like the texturing and stuff etched into them. Shocker here, this one, it is like all those lines are actually engraved. It's not just printed on. So this looks really good, and he comes with alternate hands and some blast effects. This is a really good looking piece. I'm super excited to have both of those. So both from the retro series so far. Let's see what the last one is now. Shocker's a classic Spidey villain, and I needed him. He's like one of my favorite, or at least the first Spider-Man animated series shows that I saw was the Symbiote Saga, and Shocker and Rhino kind of play key parts of that, showing off like his rage when he's fighting. Oh my god! Sorry, I'm just super excited for this one. I finally got Miles Morales from Into the Spider-Verse. Oh my gosh. I've been looking so forward to this one. Now I can finally start it Into the Spider-Verse shelf because I've got Spider-Gwen ordered, and I've already got Prowler. So now once I've got 3, I think that's enough to start a new shelf. But just put this down before I cut myself. Yeah, look at that. Into the Spider-Verse with he's got like the hoodie and the Nikes and the shorts. Oh wow. And the alternate head sculpt, so you can see like his regular animated face. And it comes with the mask sculpt as well. Extra hands, extra piece of tape. I don't care about the Build-A-Figure for this. It's like Build-A-Figure still, man. But the Gwen looks really good. I think that's the one, like the the type of Gwen that I ordered. Oh my god, I can't talk this morning. It's early here. I passed on the Peter B. Parker because I didn't realize that's classic Peter Parker at the time. When I saw the figure, I thought it was like some kind of alternate Spider-Man that, like, but that's like the regular Spider-Man. I didn't realize. And so I already have Prowler. The Hand Ninja looks really good, but I don't think I'm gonna bother with this Build-A-Figure. But this Miles is a long time coming. I'm super happy to have this. Into the Spider-Verse was a great movie, and yeah, I'm super happy to be starting my Into the Spider-Verse shelf now. And overall, I'm very happy with this haul. This was a really good set of purchases. All of them, like, I did my research on the different versions of the characters, and these are the best versions of each. So I'm very happy to be adding them to the collection here. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want to stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me, hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.